Hey guys, how's it going this morning? What am I working on now? Well, I got this GMC pickup truck here. This truck's actually been here for the last 2 months. I never really gave it much thought because we get cars and trucks that show up and sit here forever. And I thought maybe it was scrap. I don't know. You just never know sometimes. Sometimes you'll see a car that looks halfway decent and it turns out it's a parts car for whatever reason. So, turns out this is a customer car and we're going to be putting a motor in it. So, it does run, but my suspicions are there as to what's wrong with it. So, customer diagnosed it, customer supplied a motor. We don't normally do stuff like that where it's customer supplies parts and we do that and we do the repair. Except this person, I guess, is a longtime friend of the owners of the shop here. So this is like one of those rare exceptions where they do that. But yes, anyway, let me start this thing up. Let me show you what I got and then let's start it up and see what happens. It's been sitting here for 2 months, so I brought a jumper pack with me just in case. But supposedly it does run because the guy drove it here. So here's the truck. Actually decent shape. Looks nice. All things considered. I mean, it's an older truck. It looks like it's in good shape. But let's see if it'll start. What I heard was he severely overheated it. Okay, does run. Don't sound bad. I don't know if you can see the quarter panel vibrating. Thing's missing like crazy. See the water shaking on there. I don't smell anything yet, but supposedly he severely overheated it. And he said he overheated it to the point where the engine locked up from getting so hot. The old school TBI 350 or 305, probably a 350. Yeah, it's starting to smoke now. Looking a little grody in there. Cap has no pressure to it. Stinks too. I'm not going to do a block. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, that's not morning dew causing that. That's head gasket. So the customer decided they wanted to put an engine in this thing because of the mileage on the truck and how badly he overheated it. He said he didn't have a choice. Oh yeah, woo! You can smell it. Yeah, big time blown head gasket or something. So, looks like we're putting an engine in this one today. I don't know if I'm going to cover putting a motor in this thing because I'm going to be off and on this thing all day long. Mo's the one who's probably going to be doing most of this job. Maybe not. I don't know. If I'm the one who winds up working on it, maybe I'll show you what's involved. If there's anything that comes up on this thing that's an oddball or just an interesting situation where I think I should point it out, I'll do that. The truck itself has 189,000 miles on it, according to the odometer. But I guess it led a little bit of a rough life lately, from what I understood, with overheating issues and stuff like that. He had blown freeze-out plugs and everything else, so I think it's a wise choice instead of keep band-aiding the problem, just go ahead and put another motor in it. So. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just thought it's kind of interesting. So now this is five vehicles with issues like this of blown head gasket, cracked head, whatever. But tell you what, when they come in droves. It seems. Now all of a sudden after this, when I'm done with this one, I bet you I'll probably get like 5 Honda water pumps. It's how it always happens, and then I'll get like 7 fuel pumps that fail. It's what always happens. They always come in waves for some reason. All right. Well, thought that was kind of interesting. Anyway, if you're getting something out of my videos, hit that like button. If you're good, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.